Hello friends, this short video is about an announcement on Microsoft Fabric, a free webinar coming up tomorrow. This is Sai Farendra from SQL School. I assure you complete practical classes from scratch, right from the basics. Over 19 years, I have been into this beautiful Microsoft database and cloud technologies. We are going to learn in our session detailed step-by-step intro on what is Fabric, why we need it, what are the key features, the comparisons with Azure Cloud versus Microsoft Cloud and AWS Cloud versus Google Cloud. We are going to learn Fabric analytics, Fabric engineering, and lot more activities. And we are going to meet live on Feb 2nd, 8 a.m. India time, live webinar. For the joining link, please kindly check the description box or kindly sign up on sqlschool.com. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.